Steve Arnold from Science Channel's Meteorite Men here with an incredible offering. This particular offering has a piece of impactite and a piece of shale from the Monturaqui crater in Chile. Now, for those of you who saw our episode on television, you know the backstory on this. This is one of only a dozen, 13, 14 maybe craters in the entire planet that have both a crater in the ground and meteorites found around the crater. There are a lot of craters that 100% of the impactor exploded and disintegrated upon impact. There are a lot of meteorites that hit the ground too small to create a crater. There's this little window of opportunity where almost all of the impactor is disintegrated, but a few little pieces, relatively few, tiny percentage of the impactor remains. The Monturaqui, what's really incredible about it also is that there are impactites that have been found that have actually little pieces of the meteorite inside it, little fresh metal blobs, enough that the impactites will attract to a magnet. Now, an impactite is a piece of glass. It's almost all earth material that has been melted by the fiery and the shock wave, the heat that's generated when the crater is formed. Little pieces of the impactor end up in there. Also, really rare in this package is a piece of the shale. Now, when we call it shale because it's weathered, but it is a piece of the impactor. It is a piece of the meteorite that came in. What's registered in the meteorite bulletin officially on this meteorite is only 2 kilos, somewhere between maybe 4 and 5 pounds of the meteorite have been found. Everything else disintegrated or has rusted away in the 100,000 years or so that this crater's been sitting there. Jeff and I were fortunate enough to find a few of these little pieces of the shale, some of the Monturaqui meteorite, and found some pieces of the impactor together, offering this as a package for you. And these are going to be in the shale is going to be between 0.4 and 0.7 grams, and the impactite are going to be between 2 and 3 grams in size. So makes a really good package. This is an example of the card, a picture of Jeff and I standing at the crater during the shooting of it. A little authenticity here that goes with the piece. And then we're also offering an ID card that's going to go along with the Monturaqui piece. So these two together as a little package, a souvenir from the show. Hope you've enjoyed the show, and hope you enjoyed getting a piece of one of only a dozen or so impactors and impactite from one of the craters on our planet.